Very happy morning to all. Today, this class we are going to discuss about Part D carry 5 marks. Very important topic. So listen very carefully. Role of commercial banks in economic development of a country. Already last class what we have seen. Commercial bank it can plays a very important role, especially in rural areas, and they can develop the main important primary sector agriculture, and they can perform two important things. First one, they can accept deposit, and they can also undertake provision of loans facilities, each and everything. Now this class, what is the thing we are going to discuss today is role of commercial bank in economic development of a country. Either the country it will be a less developed country or advanced country or developing country. This commercial bank it can plays a very important role in what way and which in that is the thing we are going to discuss. First one, capital formation, creation of credit, channelizing funds for productive investment, banks monetize debt, encourage right type of industries, finance to government. Next one, employment generation, banks promote entrepreneurship. These are the main important heading, and you have to explain each and everything. Capital formation. What is the main important work the commercial bank they are doing? One hand they can accept deposit, and another hand they can provide that accepting deposit they can provide loans and facilities for each and every business person and entrepreneurship. So this is the way capital formation have been taken place. So overall achievement of growth and development have been taken place for individual as well as the country. Creation of credit. Creation of credit means what? Multiplication of loans and advances. FD, RD, that amount it is also used for various entrepreneurship to develop their businesses. Channelizing funds for productive investment. Productive investment means any one person's or any one area we can start at industries means what will happen? Yes, starting of industries means more people get employment opportunity, employment increases income, income increases consumption, consumption increases standard of living, each and everything have been taken place, saving, investment again and again it will be taken place, channelizing funds for productive investment. Banks monetize debts. They can also provide loans and advances for the entrepreneurs and business persons at a very low rate of interest, and thereby they can achieve the economic growth and development. Encourage right type of industries. Which type of industry should be created and which type of industry should be started and in which area, either in hill area. Now what is the main important facilities we have to provide, each and everything, what type of, either it is a small scale industry or it is a large scale industry or it is a medium scale industries, each and everything they have to take into consideration, then only they can give the prior approval and loans and facilities. Finance to government. Here, this commercial bank, they can also act as a banker to government. They can also provide the finance and debt to government also. Employment generation. Already we have come across employment generation means starting of more employment, starting of more industries, it leads to employment generation. In addition to that, self-help group, the persons who are all they want to do self-employment opportunities, for that people also they can provide loans and advances, employment generation have been taken place. Banks promote entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur is the person who is completely different from normal labor. Their IQ level is completely different from normal labor, and they can undertake main important activity, risk taking ability of the entrepreneur, it also promoted. So these are the main important ways the commercial bank it can achieve the economic development of a country. Next. NBFI, it is a very important topic, carry 2 marks part B. Non-banking financial institution. Other than bank, there are certain important organization we are having. All those things we can consider as a NBFI, non-banking financial institution or organization that is also having, they can also accept certain important license from the government, and they can also do these activities. What is the main important activity undertaken by NBFI, non-banking financial institution means they can also receive deposit and they can also provide loans and facilities. It can plays a very important role both in money market and in capital market. What are the main important examples of NBFI means? Life Insurance Corporation of India, General Insurance Corporation of India, UTI means it is nothing but Unit Trust of India. Clear?